Hello students, today we are going to start uh, the chapter Community Life part number 2, Diversity in India. Students, we all know that our country India is a very large country which is extending from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Arunachal Pradesh to Ankleshwar. And variety of climatic condition, variety of soils, irrigational methods, religious backgrounds, culture, all these things symbolize diversity in various fields. If you try to observe the food habit of the people, the clothes they wear, and the work they do in different parts of the country, you will clearly notice the variety and diversity of different regions. In this picture, you can see easily, and even within a region, the lifestyle is very much different in rural and urban area. It is so because the lifestyle of the people is directly related to their physical surroundings and influenced by various historical, geographical, social, and economic factors. The diversity in India has provided us a glorious past which paved the way for unity in diversity. Here you can see the festivals celebrating in India are differ from region to region, like Baisakhi in Punjab, Onam in Kerala, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Garba Nritte of Gujarat, Bihu of Assam, Ghumar of Rajasthan. All these things reflect the vivid culture and tradition of the communities of these regions. The richness of Indian traditions lie in the belief that all the countries are equal. We Indians feel proud of our rich cultural heritage. Our respect and faith in this cultural diversity has kept India united and integrated. Inequalities and constitutional provisions to safeguard them. Unfortunately, increasing social and economic inequalities in rural as well as in urban areas led to discrimination in our society. There are various reasons for it. In our day-to-day life, we find that poor people are being exploited and ill-treated by the rich people. The follower of one religion look down upon the others. People speaking different languages have various issues. Men folk are exploiting the women. These type of differences, they are not form of diversities, they are inequalities. So to protect the people from inequalities, when our constitution was framed, our leaders kept all these things in their mind, and they included many provisions in the constitution which aim at bringing social, economic, and political equality. The fundamental rights like right to freedom, right to equality, right against exploitation have been incorporated in the constitution. Similarly, the directive principles of the state policy, which are the guidelines to the government at the different levels to plan and act upon. All these things we will study in class 7. So this was about the constitutional provision about and inequalities. Thank you.